Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Easy English podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mike. We're happy you're here practicing English with us today.
Today's topic is something we all do, grocery shopping.
Yes, we will learn easy words and real sentences you can use in English.
Remember, speak with us. Repeat the phrases. Take your time.
And if you enjoy learning with us, please like, share, and subscribe.
All right, let's begin. Mike, I need to go grocery shopping today.
Great sentence. Listeners, repeat. I need to go grocery shopping.
I usually go on Sunday morning.
Good job. You can say, I usually go on Sunday. I go after work.
Mike, do you make a shopping list?
Yes, I make a list. It helps me remember things.
Nice! Example, I need milk, eggs, and bread.
Listeners, try your own sentence. What do you need to buy?
Now we arrive at the store.
A helpful question is, where can I find rice?
Or, where is the fruit section?
Great question. That helps you in real life.
I often say, excuse me, can you help me?
Excellent polite English.
Sometimes I check the price.
Yes, you can ask, how much is this?
If it's expensive, that's too expensive.
Or if it's good, that's a good price.
Repeat with us slowly.
Now we pay for the groceries.
The cashier may say, do you need a bag?
You can answer, yes, please. No, thank you.
Another sentence, can I pay by card?
Or, I will pay cash.
Mike, what do you usually buy?
I buy fruit and bread, sometimes noodles.
Nice! I buy vegetables, and my quick breakfast, a banana.
Great example. Simple sentences are powerful.
Listeners, say yours. I buy blank.
You're doing great today.
Yes, grocery English is real daily English.
Practice speaking out loud. Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn. Good job.
Let's review today's key phrases. I need to go grocery shopping. Where can I find? How much is this? That's too expensive. Can I pay by card?
Practice them this week when you shop or imagine shopping.
Now our community question. What food do you buy most often?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you next time for more easy English practice.
Bye, everyone.